like makeup pretend. So I'll show what this is. But you also open it. I think you do this. And then we have some makeup. Open it if you want to. You also have this. And open it. And you also have mirror. And you have nail polish if you want to use it. And this is, I forgot, open it. Some glitter, I think. Carry box. Let me see what it is. Nail polish, lip.
The girl pretending like she's reading.
And I'm just seeing what it is. Lipstick.
Tell Dad to read it for you.
Read it.
You got brushes, a mirror, a glitter pot, blush, eyeshadow, lip gloss, nail polish, puff pad, and cosmetic bag.
You see?
So it's lip gloss? Or is it a glitter pod?
And you have this, you know, but it's kind of cute. And this thing is, you also, if you want to open it, this glitter, a makeup bag. But if I run out the other pink one, I'll just use this one if I want to. This is like nail polish. I'll just use this one for a minute. How about you? Where put this?
Your eyes.
My eyes. I think the brush. I think the brush. I'm putting pink on, guys. Tickles. And so I'm gonna use the rest for later. It's cute though. That's so cute. I think I'll use this one. You know what? This is cute. Think, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll let the rest for later if I want to. Use this with it, but I like. No, okay. Then put on your eyes.
You put that one all over your face.
Oh, sorry.
Your cheeks and your forehead.
Oh. No.
But if you check it, there's a film on her mirror that you could take off or no?
Not that. Not that. Not that. Not that. Not that. Should you take off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. They take off. So guys, this is like this is makeup and also some cute, but there's purple and I think pink. I think you use your finger, Mom. Look at my eyes. No, Papa, no, that's only Jaden. Jaden. Jade's not listening. Jaden, you can't open that. You take that one for your son. Thank you. Okay, guys, so now we also have something else to show you. But this is lipstick, I think.
Lipstick.
Lipstick. I did.
You see your daughter?
Mm-hmm.
Oopsie.
How old are you?
I'm 1, 2, and I'm 3. I'm just 3. I think this now. What's this? What's this again? What's this again, Mom?
Lip gloss?
Lipsticks.
Gloss.
Gloss, guys. Hi, guys. How are we gonna use it?
You gotta roll it on your lips.
So guys, and now we have nails polish, cause now we open it, you think? They look cute, but now we're just gonna say the rest for later. Now, this one I'm gonna do. What do we do with this, Mom?
That's for your eyebrows.
My eyebrows. So you do this. That's it, guys. See you later, guys.